2017 Nissan Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.